Hey everybody, this is Steve Cooper with Balco. Welcome to Coop's Corner. I'll talk to you about how to fire stop electrical boxes. So first of all, why do you need to? Well, the International Building Code states that if you have more than 100 square inches of openings and 100 square feet of a fire rated wall, then you need to fire rate the electrical boxes. So I've got a variety of different boxes here. So I'm going to talk to you about 3 phases of construction that we can do this, and 3 different ways to fire stop an electrical box. First, the most common way that these boxes are fire stopped is through a putty pad. So this is a Metacaulk 7x7 putty pad. It's made for a 4-inch square box, right? So you got a 4-inch square box here. The back side of that, you have a putty pad wrapped all the way around it, and it's molded around the conduit going into it. It's around the box. It's a very pliable, flexible material that's peel and stick, flexible, moldable around the box. Works beautifully. That's the most common way of doing it. That works beautifully if you have access to the walls. Say the studs are up and there's no gypsum and things in place. But what happens if you get there and the studs are in place, the box is in place, and there's gypsum on the surface? How do you get the electrical box fire stopped? Well, it's a good way to do that. You can go in from the front of the box with a box guard. So you can actually just place that right inside the box opening and put the cover over it, and you don't have to disturb the gypsum or remove anything like that. It's all fire stopped. So what if you have studs in place, the box is in there, the gypsum is in place, and the wiring is already ran into the box? So now you can't get behind the box to put a putty pad. You can't go in from the face inside the box with a box guard. Well, you can get to the surface of the box using a cover guard, and you can put that right underneath the plate. You see here, there's a little cutaway there. Just goes right underneath the face plate and anchors into place. So now, no matter what phase of construction, you can fire stop it, and you have UL listed designs. So contact Balco. Go to balcousa.com and look for yourself. Thanks a lot for visiting Coop's Corner.